Hello, beautiful business owners. If you are dabbling in the world of an AI generated website and you're wondering if this is going to be enough to get your business where it needs to be, then this video is for you. We've seen this become more prevalent recently with the advent of AI generated websites that business owners or non technical people can generate very beautiful websites very quickly with minimal effort. This has been a factor ever since we saw the advent of things like Squarespace and Wix, which had a lot of templatized websites that you could just plug your copy into and push go. And there's a lot of things that are beneficial about this that allow the business owners to have more control over their site and feel like they're really involved in the process. However, I will say this does come with a warning or a caveat in that when you are building out these websites, there's certain things that you may not be as familiar with without an SEO or an artificial intelligence optimization background. There are technical features that go into building a site. And I'm going to say a bunch of technical keywords here. So I'm going to slap on my glasses to give it more authority. Semantic tags, structured data, title tags, metadata. There are a lot of technical SEO features that have to be implemented in order for you to see results from the website that you're building out. And if you're not familiar with how to apply semantic tags or how to build out structured data or the alt tags that you need on your images or any of those items, then even if you build out a lovely looking website using AI, you still want to have somebody audit it afterwards for technical SEO. And that's not the only variable to consider. You also want to ensure that the website has been looked over functionally so that it is mobile responsive, and additionally that it is considering, user experience and user interface, also called UX and UI. And lastly, that it is built with your buyer in mind. One of the things that we see with business owners is they build a website that they like, but maybe doesn't actually function in the way that their buyer would like. So if you have built a website yourself and you're curious if it's going to meet those fundamental guidelines on whether or not it was built effectively, we would love to chat.